Hey guys, Tyler here with ACSL. We're out in the field. We're going to show you how to do a quick flight setup with the SOTEN. So first thing we're going to do, go ahead and pull out the aircraft, extend the arms and make sure they click into place. Then we'll go ahead and grab our payload. We're going to be using the standard payload for this mission. Make sure that clicks into place, and then we'll also check the release button and make sure that that's flush. Go ahead and pull out a battery, slide that into the battery bay in the back. Make sure that clips into place. All right, so now we'll go ahead and get our propellers put on. And next we'll come over to our controller. We've already got our mobile device on here, connected with our USB back to the controller. Go ahead and extend our antennas. We're also gonna make sure that we're in position mode. So we're just gonna do a standard GPS flight, so we want it in that mode. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the controller on and power on my tablet. Okay, so now we're ready to bring our drone over to the landing pad. And to power on the drone, we just press the power button on the battery. All right, so now we've got the drone powered on. It's gone through all of its initialization. So now we're going to go through our pre-flight checklist. So down here at the bottom, it's gonna require that you go through some items. Just a few safety things we need to go through, make sure our LEDs are on, our transmitter's on, batteries are good, and we're also gonna check and make sure that we have video link on the controller. A couple other safety announcements that we need to make. We're in a good fly zone as well. And then we've also just checked to make sure our GPS and our sensor calibration is good as well. So once all that's checked, we're gonna go ahead and press done. Okay, so on the controller itself, a couple things we can highlight. You do have a land button here. So if you move the aircraft to a place where it's safe to land, you can go ahead and press that button and have it land for you. We also have a return to home button here. So at any point during the flight, if you press that button, that will prompt the aircraft to return to its home. Also, if you need to navigate to any settings within the takeoff app, down here in the bottom right-hand corner, again, that navigation button. And then if you click on settings, you can change your return to home altitude. All of those different parameters are in there as well. And now we're ready to go ahead and take off. All my GPS looks good. I've got video signal. So to take off with the SOTEN, it's a little bit different than other drones. So you're gonna take your left stick and move it down and to the outside. That's gonna arm the motors, and then we'll be able to take off from there. It's the reverse of that to land the aircraft. So we're ready to go ahead and take off. I'm gonna make sure my area is clear, and we're gonna go ahead and arm the motors. So down and to the outside, arming. And now we're idling. We're ready to go ahead and take off. Taking off. Okay, and then it's gonna be the reverse of that to land. So we're in a safe place. We're ready to go ahead and land. So we're gonna go ahead and descend. Hold the left stick completely down. And then to disarm the motors, we're gonna move that left stick to the center. All right guys, that is a basic flight setup. Thanks for watching, and blue skies ahead.